Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and granting precise location and background permissions so sharing works while your phone sleeps. Once done, tap your avatar or the blue dot, then select Location Sharing. Pick a contact from your list or send a link. Choose a sharing duration or select until you turn this off. Make sure the other person accepts the share if required so both devices can display live updates in real time. Now refine how and how long you share. Choose either share with a Google contact for seamless real-time updates or create a link to paste into another app. Once done, allow Maps to run in the background and add it to battery saver exceptions so location doesn't freeze. Also confirm mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Weak networks cause delays. Then watch the map marker update. If you need more precision, toggle high accuracy, GPS in device settings for better positioning. To stop sharing, open Maps, tap your profile or the sharing card, then hit stop. This immediately removes live updates for everyone. If sharing stalls or shows wrong position, first toggle location off and on, restart Maps and confirm permissions and high-accuracy GPS are enabled. Once done, make sure the recipient's app is updated and their network is stable. If problems persist, reboot both devices. That often clears stuck processes and restores continuous live location updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.